Hello and welcome to Survive Sandesh. On the 1st of October, a grand blood donation camp was organized by Survived Convent Senior Secondary School in collaboration with St. Joseph Hospital, wherein our two esteemed teachers, namely Pranjali ma'am and Ratish sir, altruistically donated their blood. A multitude of other donors comprising parents and the well-wishers of school also contributed.
In the week spanning from the 4th of October to the 10th of October, CBSE, in collaboration with AIMS New Delhi, conducted a virtual seminar series entitled The Mental Health Week.
3rd of October, Sarvite Seva, a charitable initiative, was orchestrated by the primary educators for the benefit of indigent inheritance of Narmadapuram. On the 4th of October, the star of the month was announced, a distinction conferred upon an individual who attained 100% attendance throughout the month of September within the school's free education learning system. On 10th of October, the World Mental Health Day was celebrated and conducted by the students of class 8, 9 and 11. The program encompassed a diverse array of poster-making activities centered upon the theme Be Kind to Your Mind. On the 10th and 11th of October, a rally under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was conducted to promote cleanliness and hygiene among the nearby mass of Narmadapuram. The 10th of October was allocated to class 6th and 7th and the 11th of October was designated to class 8th.
On the same day, the Survived Seva aim was fruitfully achieved by Class 1st explorers and KG2 aspirers for the benefit of needy people of Narmadapuram.
11th of October, an exciting and informative quiz competition was convened, hosted by 11th grade humanities sport in which grade 9th participated. On the same day, a seminar was arranged upon the subject of financial literacy and the utilization of digital instruments sponsored by AVSL. This very day, the girls of class 6 attended a very needful seminar conducted by the school's counselor named Pallavi ma'am on the theme Adolescence, a girl's journey of growth and change, which brought positive awareness and alertness amongst the girls of that age.
On the 11th of October, the Survived School Principal, Sister Salguja, OSMF, was conferred as the most prestigious visionary leadership in the field of education, the award Shiksha Samman, presented by Dr. Nidhi Mittal Bhandari. We are profoundly proud of this achievement of hers and express our prayerful blessings.
On the 13th of October, an art and craft endeavor was organized by the students of classes 5th to 8th, wherein the students fashioned paper sacks in anticipation of the Diwali celebration. On 16th and 17th of October, an inter-house poster-making competition was conducted for class 6th to 12th, wherein class 11th fashioned a poster upon dancing motif, class 9th upon sports motif, class 8 depicted flowers and butterflies, class 7th upon a musical motif, and class 6th upon a leafy motif. Prominent house duly recognized therein. On 15th of October, the celebration of Father's Day staged by the pre-primary student unfolded with alumnus Mr. Shyam Malviya, a government training officer of the Divisional Training Institute of Narmadapuram, serving as chief guest. Approximately 98 fathers attended the program with commendable pride.
Survived Seva was successfully conducted by KG2 believers and challengers on October 17, 2025, benefiting the underprivileged.
On the 17th of October, the Diwali celebration Festival of Light for the shooting surprise by Class 6 explorers and 4 dreamers. They enraptured the stage with their performances that delighted the entire school community on 17th of October.
On the occasion of Diwali, The class 10 teachers and students visited Bhavishya Nishakta Vidyalaya at Tiwari Colony in Narmadapuram for a special charity drive to give a glow that lasts beyond Diwali.
Our luminary, our shining star, vibrant Varnika Tiwari of Class 8 Dreamers, attained 4th position in an exceedingly prestigious international competition, Asia Pacific Yogasana Sport Championship held in Malaysia. The school is extremely proud of her achievement and prays for her bright future.
The PT2 examination of class 10th and 12th was peacefully and successfully conducted from 13th of October to 18th of October.
The KG2 Dreamers and Explorers successfully hosted the Savait Seva food charity event on October 24. As part of the Sansad Khel Mahotsav at Narmadapuram, Savait School's badminton and kabaddi teams competed in a tournament at Dolphins Club, Narmadapuram on October 27. Heartfelt congratulations to our SGFI 2025 state level yoga qualifiers. Bhumi UEK from class 6 believers, Ananya Dubey from class 7 aspirers, Sarthak Gopalani from class 8 explorers, Sashwat Sharma from class 8 believers, Varnika Tiwari from class 8 dreamers, and Diksha Morjani from class 10 dreamers. Kudos to our principal and teachers for their unwavering support. The Savait School e-magazine invites contributions from students, parents, and teachers. We encourage you to share your articles, stories, poems, and other creative writings on various topics by October 25. The submissions will be considered for publication in our upcoming issue. A gentle reminder regarding the school's winter dress code was shared on October 29, emphasizing the importance of wearing navy blue sweaters or blazers as health remains our top priority. Mrs. Pallavi Pare Choksi ma'am, the CBSE counselor from Savait School, had attended as a prospective resource person at Vijaygram district, Chindwara on 16th of October 2025 on HPC. She also conducted a seminar as a resource person at St. Francis Bhopal on 25th of October 2025 on stress management. Huge congratulations to Aditi Jadhav of class 7 Dreamers and Ashmita Dubey of class 8 Dreamers for making it to the state level school cricket competition 2025-26 representing Narmadapuram district. All the best from Savait Convent Senior Secondary School. The students of KG1 aspirers and believers made a difference in the lives of those around them in need by their initiative of Savait Seva, the food charity service.
On the 31st of October, PTM was fruitfully conducted for the students of class 10th and 12th with the objective of reviewing the answer sheets of PT2 examination.
On October 30, 2025, a career counseling session was conducted for the class 12 students who attentively participated the session, poised to garner insights into their future career trajectories. During Diwali, the students of class 9 and 11 from our school spearheaded a charity initiative augmented by generous donations from the students and parents. We extend our sincere appreciation for this exemplary support.
Upcoming events. In the forthcoming month of November, Children's Day will be celebrated with exuberant zeal. World Science Day will be celebrated with resplendent excitement. National Education Day and Constitution Day will be observed within the school premises.
Join Color Conclave 2.0 on 8th of November 2025 for an electrifying day of chess, debate, declamation, dance and kabaddi. Entry is free. On the same day, again get ready for an exhilarating day of amusement and delight at the Joy Jubilee Jamboree, featuring thrilling games and delectable street food. Enjoy our special combo coupon offer for just Rs 50 per stall. Admissions open for session 2026-27 for nursery, KG1 and KG2.
For more updates
updates, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.